Becoming a successful project manager. Essential skills and tips. Project management is a dynamic and rewarding career, but it takes a combination of skills, experience, and best practices to become truly successful. In this video, we explore what it takes to excel as a project manager and provide tips and strategies to enhance your project management career. Key skills for a successful project manager. In leadership. A great project manager leads their team, inspires confidence, and motivates everyone to work toward a common goal. Effective leadership keeps teams focused and aligned. 2. Communication. Clear, consistent communication with stakeholders, team members, and clients is crucial for successful project delivery. It ensures that everyone is on the same page and helps avoid misunderstandings. 3. Time management. Managing multiple tasks, deadlines, and resources requires excellent time management skills. A project manager must ensure that everything is on track and delivered on time. 4. Problem solving. Challenges and obstacles are inevitable in every project. A successful project manager anticipates these issues and comes up with practical solutions quickly. 5. Risk management. Identifying potential risks early and developing mitigation strategies is essential for keeping a project on course. A strong project manager knows how to handle uncertainties and keep the project moving forward. Tips for project management success. N. Set clear goals. At the start of any project, define clear, achievable goals. This gives everyone direction and helps maintain focus. 2. Build a strong team. Hire the right people for the right roles. Build a team that is not only skilled, but also motivated to achieve the project's objectives. 3. Maintain flexibility. Be prepared to adapt to changes and challenges. The ability to adjust plans and timelines is key to overcoming unforeseen issues. 4. Focus on quality. Never compromise on the quality of deliverables. Ensure that each project phase meets the expected standards before moving forward. 5. Keep learning. The field of project management is always evolving. Keep learning new tools, techniques, and methodologies to stay ahead in your career. How to continue growing as a project manager. And pursue certifications. Credentials like PMP and Prince2 provide formal recognition of your skills and can open new career opportunities. 2. Gain experience. Work on different projects to expand your knowledge and experience across various industries. 3. Network. Attend industry events, join project management communities, and build relationships with peers to learn from others and stay updated on the latest trends. Conclusion. Becoming a successful project manager involves continuous learning, the right skills, and a deep understanding of project management practices. By focusing on leadership, communication, time management, and quality, you can consistently deliver successful projects and advance your career in project management.